Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Nagaraj SK, lecturer of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgaum. So today I'm going to brief you about Java program structure, simple Java program, Java virtual machine, and finally command line arguments. Java program structure. A Java program consists of different parts. Some of them are mandatory, but some are optional. The optional parts or optional sections can be excluded from the program depending upon the requirements of the programmer. So we'll understand why we need these many parts or what is the purpose of using them. First one is documentation section. Documentation section includes the comments that improve the readability of the program. A comment is a non-executable statement that helps to read and understand a program, especially when your programs get more complex. It is simply a message that exists only for the programmer and is ignored by the compiler. A good program should include comments that describe the purpose of the program, author name, date, and time of the program creation. This section is optional and suggested, and comments may appear anywhere in the program. Java programming language supports three types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment, and one more new type of commenting style in Java is available, that is documentation comments. So I'll show you how these three types of commenting styles are available in Java. The syntax of single line comment is two forward slashes followed by your message. Then multi-line comments, that is enclosed within forward slash star your message star and forward slash, and one more, that is documentation comment. The syntax of that documentation comment is forward slash two stars your message, then star, then forward slash. And this documentation comment is used for generating documentation automatically. Next is package statement. Java allows you to group classes in a collection known as package. A package statement includes a statement that provides a package declaration. It must appear as the first statement in the source code before any class or interface declaration. As I shown in this structure, this package statement is optional statement, and for creating a package we have to use a keyword called package. It is a very big topic, so we'll discuss about package in later lecture. And then import statement. Here Java contains many predefined classes that are stored into packages. In order to refer them standard predefined classes in your program, you need to use a fully qualified name. But this is a very tedious task, as one need to retype the package path name along with the class name. So a better alternative is to use an import statement. An import statement is used for referring classes that are declared in other packages. The import statement is written after a package statement but before any class definition. You can import a specific class or all the classes of the package. For example, with the help of import keyword, we can write an import statement like import student.test. That is, student is the name of the package and test is a class which is present under student package, and whatever the properties are available in that class test, we can inherit, we can access them in user defined class or user defined program. To be precise, this import statement is similar to the hash include statement in C program. Then the next part of Java program structure is interface statement. An interface is like a class but includes a group of constant, static member methods and data members. This is also an optional section and is used only when we wish to implement the multiple inheritance feature in the program. Class definitions. A Java program may contain multiple class definitions. Classes are the primary or mandatory elements of a program. These classes are used to map the objects of real-world problems. The number of classes used depends on the complexity of the program. And then finally, it comprises main method class. Since every Java standalone program requires a main method as its starting point, this class is the essential part of a Java program. A simple Java program may contain only this part. The main method creates objects of various classes and establishes communication between them. On reaching the end of the main, the program terminates and the control passes back to the operating system. This is all about Java program structure. So the next is simple Java program. Here, a simple Java program consists of a class, that is sample1, and in turn it is comprising a main method, and this main method is consisting of only one output statement on the screen, that is just I'm going to print welcome to Java programming on the screen. So just this is a simple Java program is used to display one output statement, that is welcome to Java programming. So I'll run and execute this program and I'll show you the output, how exactly it gives the result. So I have written here the same sample program, that is simple Java program with the class name sample1. So I'll execute and I'll show you this. So execute it. Oh, it's giving an error. At least one public class is required in main file. That is, this sample1 class should be public. With the help of public access modifier, we should make it public and then run it. Yes, welcome to Java programming. But there is a slight change. I'll show you how to compile it. Java C, your file name, that is sample1, then Java sample, Java interpreter sample1, Java interpreter sample1, sample1. So update it, close it and execute it once again. Welcome to Java programming. That's great, we are getting the right output, welcome to Java programming. That means this class is a keyword, sample1 is the name of the program, then and we have to save this file with the same name as class name, which is consisting of main method, that is sample1.java. We have to save this file, and each and every class in Java consists of opening flower brace and closing flower brace, and this public is the access modifier that says that this main method is publicly available for all the classes, and static is a keyword which declares this method as one that belongs to the entire class and not a part of any objects of the class. The main method must always be declared as static since the interpreter uses this method before any objects are created. More about static methods and variables we'll be discussing in later lectures. And this void is a return type of this main method that says that this main method does not return anything, but it gives simply some output on the screen. And this string args, that is nothing but it is an string array of type string. It is a array of type string. That is all about simple Java program. And the next is Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine, it is an abstract machine. It is a specification that provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. As we seen, all programming language compilers translate source code into machine code for a specific computer. Java compiler also does the same thing, but then you may ask, how does Java machine achieve architecture neutrality? The answer is that the Java compiler produces an intermediate code known as bytecode for a machine that does not exist. This machine is called the Java virtual machine, and it exists only inside the computer memory. It is simulated computer within the computer and does all major functions of a real computer. And then the process of compilation takes place as I shown in these figures, from source code to bytecode. Java source code will be converted into bytecode with the help of Java compiler. Then Java virtual machine internally passes it to the Java interpreter, and that Java interpreter generates machine code for executing the particular task. That is all about Java virtual machine. The next is command line arguments. Java command line argument is an argument that is passed at the time of running the Java program. The arguments passed from the console can be received in the Java program, and it can be used as an input. So it provides a convenient way to check the behavior of the program for the different values, as well as you can pass n number of arguments from the command prompt. So I would like to take one example for demonstrating command line arguments. Just a minute, hold a minute. So I'll type here one command line argument, that is, I'll take the same example, public class sample1 public static void main string args system.out.println. So instead of this, I used to print command line arguments. My first command line argument is with the help of plus operator, we have to use that particular variable args of 0. That is nothing but this whatever arguments you pass in main method, they are nothing but your command line arguments. I am passing here one parameter to the main method, that is args string array of type string. I'm passing one parameter to this main method. That I have to demonstrate, that I have to show you what are the variables, what are the values it is taking to this string array. So I'll execute and I'll show you the code. What exactly I have to compile, I have to run this. For compiling it, I have to go to compile option. So my Java compiler, Java C, file name is sample1 as it is, and I'm passing sample1, then jpb as a command line parameter, then hi, hello. Okay, I'll take these many, just update it, close it, then execute it. See, my first command line argument is jpb. That means I have passed here, while executing, while running this program, I have passed jpb, hi, hello. These three I have passed, jpb, hi, hello. Then I'm passing here the index value. That means this jpb takes index value as 1, this hi takes index value as, sorry, this jpb takes index value as 0, this hi takes index value as 1, this hello takes index value as 2. Then this sample 1 takes index value as 3. So if you want to display the second command line argument, that is command line value, that is I'll print 2. So just execute and check it. See, next one is, that is hello, at the second index, hello. That is how works command line arguments. That means while executing the program, after that file name, while interpreting, you have to pass values like this: jpb, hi, hello, sample1. That's all about command line arguments. Thank you, thanks for watching.